Well, Debbie, it looks like you've been busy.
It is the days of haunting. How you like my backdrop?
Looks pretty scary. I love all those spider webs and spiders at the top.
Mm-hmm.
And then all the bats flying around. Or are those birds?
No,
Maybe they're crows.
They're crows.
Crows all about.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. And then, of course, do we have crows sitting on the tombstone too?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Kind of hard to see the bottom tombstone with the chairs in the way, but
That's all right. We're getting it. We're getting it. And what do we have here?
so we've got our little candle display. Lots of spiders and skulls and bones.
You think she's got enough skulls and bones, guys? I think she did quite a few. And look, even some crows. When we get close, we can actually see that little crow.
Kind of dark.
Yeah, well, if you get close, you can get it. And of course, this one has the little red eyes. I think he's the evil one. Really can't even see his eyes are red, but they're red, guys. I didn't take it from me. They're red. They're scary.
Would you like me to turn the light on so you could see it a little bit better?
Okay.
Not much better, but
A little. I guess you can sort of see the eye isn't black now. It got real close.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you want to tell them all about your display?
Yeah, so this is my spooky tablescape using my skulls and spiders and
Well, this one's pretty good too. Looks like wax has been melted over these books, doesn't it?
mm-hmm. And I actually took him from another display, but I thought he looks really nice on this one. I went to go and get some more skulls, and they were fresh out.
Fresh out, huh?
Fresh out. So I just had to steal him from another location. But it looks good.
It looks nice. You got the different color spiders, and you got your little pumpkins for a little more accent colors.
Mm-hmm.
And you want to show everyone your pretty new table mats, or what's that?
Yeah, these are my Mackenzie Childs table, what are they called? Placemats.
Placemats.
And they're really pretty. They're beaded.
Now, I never have seen this. She seems to find things I have never seen anywhere.
And they actually had a pumpkin looks just like this, and it was on the barn sale.
Mm-hmm.
But I couldn't.
It's too much money.
Yeah, it was too much money. So I was like, no. And I got these many months ago on another sale. So.
And they look like you could use them at Christmas time. They almost look like a Christmas bulb, don't they?
No.
No. Okay.
So let me see what's on the back side. It's they're made in India.
I think they get all their beaded stuff from India.
Mm-hmm. I like it. It's pretty. I like the different colors. And like I said, I really thought the pumpkin would have been a great display on here too, but I just
Well, there is a limit to how much money we
exactly
can spend.
couldn't.
And I just noticed you have a beautiful lace black tablecloth here with bats and spider webs and everything too, huh?
Yeah, and I put it over your tablecloth that you let me borrow. So that one was like a fall, but you can't see it because of the work on the lace. But it looks nice, that orange coming through.
It does.
So, and what is that called again? The
Charger?
charger. And then that plate.
A little
and then
Halloween
has,
plate.
The spider.
And I think it looks really good. And it with the theme of all the spiders and spider webs all over your table and window.
Spiders and skulls.
Yeah. And of course, here's some more of the Mackenzie Child napkins. And look at her beautiful silverware with the black and silver. Looks really nice too.
And then this plate has spider, but this one has
The
a
skull
on it, whereas the other one didn't.
Shame we couldn't got two skulls, huh?
Well, there is two skulls, but they're two different colors, so I wanted to kind of stick with the same
Color scheme. Oh, it still looks nice. And then it has a lacy theme too I like really well. I thought you did a really nice job with it. What do you guys all think about this? It looked nice to you too? I think she did really nice. And then of course
purple goblets there.
Yeah, let's move into the purple.
Those are, I believe those were Princess House.
Oh, were these?
Mhm.
Okay.
I've had them forever.
And she borrowed the pumpkin coasters for me, so they're for mine. And then she's got these beautiful red flowers, carnations, I think.
Mm-hmm.
And they look really nice too.
Kind of spooky. And then my black skull, but it kind of doesn't show up.
It doesn't
very
show
well.
up because it's too much black on black.
Yeah.
If you had not this black flower here, and you had something with more color, it might show up.
Mm-hmm.
Because even the rose you have is a lot darker than the carnations. So, yeah, there's always next year. And of course you have these pretty silver pumpkins. I just think it turned out pretty nice myself.
Yeah.
And where'd you get the skulls? I mean the little bones at?
99-cent store.
It's great.
Or
stuff.
Dollar Tree. Sorry.
Dollar Tree.
Mm-hmm.
Great place too.
Yeah. So I was gonna add a couple of things to it and see if we thought it looked any different. I mean, if anyone liked it.
Okay.
So let's try that.
Okay, I'm going to do one back picture here of what it looks like, and then I'm going to turn it off, and she's going to redo a few things, and then turn it back on. Okay, Debbie, I'm ready to start showing everybody what you got. Now, there's 3 new items on this table, and Debbie did move one item to a different position. Can you guys see what 3 new items there is? Look at the table carefully. Do you notice what it is? Okay, you want to tell them what they were, Debbie?
Well, something's lighting up in my brain. Oh, it's the new pumpkin that's lit up. Beautiful.
Isn't that pretty?
Love the stem. Love the colors shining off of it. Doesn't show as much on the camera, but
It's
got
much prettier in person.
Yeah, it's got a lot of iridescent colors in it. It's really pretty.
And it's got a lot of purple.
Mm-hmm.
And it's not showing up on the camera at purple either.
Mm-hmm.
And let me see if I get closer if they can see the purple. Yeah, you can see it better now that I'm closer.
I see it. Yeah.
See how much purple's in this? It's so pretty. And of course, next to it is Grandma's new salt and pepper shakers from Mackenzie Childs. Isn't it beautiful?
Owls everywhere. No. Beautiful owls.
They are. I love them. But we do have a little complaint about the new owls. The owls themselves are perfect, but the packaging is not up to the normal, beautiful packaging they used to have, right?
Right. They used to have their salt and pepper shakers come in a beautiful box, and it was lined like I guess a satin or.
And it also had like a foam to protect them for they don't get jostled around and broke.
Right. Yeah, and these ones came in
Why don't you show? I should have brought packaging of each.
no, we're not going to show. But it was
okay.
just like a plastic insert, but it's really hard to get the owls out. You feel like you're going to break them or something, so.
Or chip them, because there is a lot of really detail on them you wouldn't want damaged, and they're not cheap. And then here's Grandma's other owl with a little Mackenzie Childs wings. All right.
Let me move this glass so you can get a better close up. He's so cute.
He's a cutie.
And he looks good with the theme on the table.
Yeah.
So those are, we actually had 4 items. You said 3.
Well, the owls are
a set.
are a set, right?
Yes.
And the pumpkin in the center it's individual, and my big owl looks individual. What is it? Anything more? What else did I miss?
No, you didn't. I'm just saying. You
Oh,
said
you want to be technical.
I want it to be technical, yes.
They're so cute. Well, I think that's it for this beautiful display, right?
Yep.
Gonna have some more. Just keep coming back, guys. Every day there's something new on this channel, as you know. And of course, well, you know, we did really show the beautiful brand new pumpkin beaded earlier. So we really did have, you know, another beautiful item, but we've already showed it.
Hey, what about changing the plates?
Oh, okay, let's do that. Well, it looks like we did a few more little changes. What do we want to say about these beautiful gold and white plates? Don't they look beautiful? You want to talk about them, Deb?
Yeah, they're really pretty. It's a set. Mom got the dinner plate and a salad plate, but we decided to use these gold plates with it. Thought that really set it off. Looks really elegant. I like it.
Yeah, I'm always supposed to be joining in with all these people that do elegant tablescapes. I hardly have anything elegant to use.
Let me see if I do it this way. It shows up better. Does it?
I think so, maybe. Maybe lift up the salad plate and show how pretty it really is. It's beautiful. See how beautiful it is? This is glass, and it's just beautiful. I think it's from Turkey. I think that's where that came from.
I didn't see the
tag for it.
tag. Yeah. Okay.
And of course, they came from both the dinner plate and the salad plate came from Home Goods, Grandma's favorite store to shop at. And her beautiful pumpkin lit up is also from Home Goods. You know, Grandma loves Home Goods. That's her favorite store. And truthfully, they're pretty reasonable. Even when stuffs are full price, they're really reasonable as a rule. Well, I guess that's about all we have. It's showing you lots of different versions, right?
Yeah, just showed, you know, the versatility of your different items. You can, you know, we kept the charger and just changed it out. So it's just a lot of different ways of using items that you may already have in your home. The good example is this tablecloth that was my mom's. She bought it at where? Home Goods?
I think Home Goods.
Really pretty for fall. And then I just went to the 99-cent store and got a $1.99 lace tablecloth and put over it. And
That was from $1?
yeah, it was $1.99.
I would never know it was that cheap.
So I mean, just little items that you can pick up can, you know, accentuate and change the look of something.
So they don't all have to be expensive. You can buy inexpensive things and put more expensive items, like our Mackenzie Childs are expensive. But even these plates that I have, the chargers, what did I pay for them? $2, $3 a piece?
$2 a piece. And
I think I paid $8 for the salad plates, but that was a set of 4. And I think I paid $4 or $5 for each plate, dinner plate. But so they were not cheap exactly, but they weren't expensive either.
Yeah.
And the quality is there. But I think it turned out pretty nice. I think we gave you lots of different choices to change around, and you can do it all. You don't have to spend a lot of money. And of course, you can reuse it every year and do it a little differently. Well, we'll see you guys later. If you're not already following, please think about it. Give us a like if you like the video. Kisses and hugs from Grandma, and Debbie only gives
air hugs.
Air hugs from her. I give real hugs. Well, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.